And here's Mr. Orange from Lucy's litter here for his temperament test. Starting with the first one, which is the stroke from head to toe. Seeing if he responds aggressively or negatively or shyly. And he seems pretty comfortable. As you can tell, he is the biggest boy of the litter, but a total sweetheart. So he was very responsive with the stroke. Now I'm going to do the cradle. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's dark. So he looks a little awkward here, but he is staying in the flip. And he lets me put my hand over his throat. I would give him a very hilarious responsive score for that. And now I'm going to startle him and see how he responds. And I'd give him a responsive score for being interested without attacking it or running away. And now I'm going to do the leash. So he seems a little frozen here. I'm just going to give him a tiny pull. Yep, and he is freezing with that little tug. I'll give him a shy score for the leash. Hi, buddy. Do you want to come run with me? Okay.
I was playing my cat.
So I'm going to set him down here. And you can see his tail is going. He's staying quite close with me. Very playful and sweet. I'd give him a responsive score for playing outside. And there's Mr. Orange.